I would say if you get hit, just get a professional quote, and then you can determine whether it's fine or not.
So why do people focus so heavily on price when it comes to collision repair or auto body repair?
I think they focus so heavily on price because
Because
like,
we're always going, and I'm sorry for jumping in,
Yeah.
but what I'm getting at is, I got, the insurance company will tell you to get quotes from 3 or 4 different
yeah.
places, and I always want to go with the cheapest,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Like I always want to go with the cheapest. That seems to be the mentality,
Mhm.
and is that like a normal thing? Is that like from the standpoint of your business? Do you try to keep that in mind when it comes to, look, I've been told by my insurance company to get 3 quotes. Does that affect your decision at all? Like,
No, like I mean, so usually that would happen if somebody hits you, like a third party. Oh,
right,
can you get a couple quotes for me?
right.
In terms of insurance companies, they won't tell you to go around to get 3
No.
quotes. They'll
Okay.
they'll send an appraiser, or they'll make you send pictures, like I said earlier.
Thank you for clarifying.
Yeah,
Okay.
and they'll give you that's it. This is what we're doing.
Right,
This is what we're paying.
right.
You could choose which shop you want to go to. That's it. Um, I've had instances where retail quotes, people have gone and gotten 3 quotes, and we'd be the highest or the middle,
Mhm.
but they'll still choose us because they feel like that's the proper
Of course.
steps to do it,
Yeah,
right?
for sure.
So
for
that's
sure.
where you got to watch out. Oh, okay, buddy can do it for 600 or something, or half the price, but what is he doing?
Right.
Was he gluing it together,
I
or
bet he's not using PPG.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Um, so how insurance steers conversations at a high level, we've talked about. So in summary, you can choose who works on your vehicle.
That's right.
You have the right to say, I want my vehicle serviced at this place, not at the place that you're telling me to.
Mhm.
So first and foremost, that's important
Mhm.
because a lot of people, I think, just are at the mercy of, for starters, when you are involved in an accident, your adrenaline kicks in and you're in fight or flight. Like
Yeah.
you've been injured, or you've injured someone, or you caused the accident, or you were involved with the accident. It's scary.
Mhm.
Who do I call? What happens? And that's why I always tell people, when in doubt, first thing you should do is reach out to your insurance.
Insurance
That's
company,
why they
yeah.
have the insurance slips supposed to be in the vehicle so
Yeah.
that you can call them, have them on speed dial.
They can sort everything out for
They
you.
they
Yeah.
can sort it and clear it and keep things flowing.
Mhm.
And if you know of good auto bodies like you, then you have the right to say, no, I'd like to have it
Yes,
brought
and
there.
even at the scene of the accident, you can even call your shop like us, and we can help guide you as well. Like I mean, you can call me up and say, "Hey, I just got in an accident. What should I do?" Okay, are you okay? This and that. Exchange insurance. If a tow truck comes, tell them you want to come to us, and
Right.
we'll deal with it.
Right.
Like I said, we'll deal with the tow truck, we'll deal with the insurance, and we'll deal with the rental.
Which takes a lot of the stress.
A lot of the stress,
out of it.
even like if you can't get a rental at that point, we can drive you home or drive you to work or wherever you need to go.
Right.
But yeah, that's another option too.